I better watch out. That thing was hopping around. Did I lose anything? Good morning. I hope you enjoyed that little clip from my ride the other day. I wanted to share a little bit of riding, maybe gain a viewer so we can get a couple bucks for the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation. And thanks for joining me, and thanks for watching. And I'm gearing up for the ride. It's going to be a week from Saturday, and you guys will stop hearing from me about this probably until next year. I just was thinking how funny it was. I joined the ride last year, but I wasn't able to ride, and then I rode 3 years ago. And I still didn't learn nothing about cystic fibrosis, but I'm glad to be doing it right now, and I'm glad that whatever donations came in, this is a beautiful connection, and I hope that we can all sort of learn about what cystic fibrosis is, and give to the foundation. I suggest buying a motorcycle and taking up riding, and no. Thanks for giving to the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation.